When I think about yesterday, my oh oh my, a kiss, and so I did. Since I met you, I feel unbreakable. Since I met you, I feel unbreakable.